I bring no gold, I bring no crown, only my heart and the herbs I found. Upon the altar of the Most High King, this is I and I, roots man offering. Under the tree where the breeze blow cool, I light the fire humble and true. No vanity, no worldly gain, just love and peace in Jah name. I give thanks for the life I live, for the herb of wisdom Jah did give. From the soil to the sun I see the power of creation inside of me. Roots man offering pure and clean, lift it up to the King unseen. Smoke rise high to the mountain top, Jah blessings fall and never stop. Roots man offering heart so true, I give my praise to the one who's true. No temple built by Babylon and could hold the glory of Jah's land. The drum and the chalice, the chant and song, that's where my spirit belongs. Through the struggles and tribulation, I still chant my meditation. For every leaf and every seed, carry Jah love for those in need. Roots man offering pure and clean, lift it up to the King unseen. In the fire the truth revealed, by Jah mercy I am healed. Roots man offering pure and clean, lift it up to the King unseen. In the fire the truth revealed, by Jah mercy I am healed. Burn the herb, lift the prayer, Jah love dwell everywhere. Beat the drum, chant the sound, peace of Zion keep I calm. Raise your voice, the hill shall ring, roots man offering to the King. Oh, oh, oh. Eh, da, 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 no, da. Oh, da, 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 da. Eh, da, 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 no, da. Oh, da, 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 da. Elders gather round the flame, speaking softly Jah holy name. The herb man pass the chalice round, sacred vibes, no wicked sound. I look within and I see light, guided by Jah through darkest night. No silver coin, no diamond ring, just this humble roots man offering. Roots man offering pure and clean, lift it up to the King unseen. Roots man offering humble and free, Jah love dwell inside of me. Fire blaze in a righteous way, her man pride upon the holy ground. Just spirit whisper, I hear the sound. In the silence I overstand. The herb of life grow from his hand. No doctor cure what Jah can heal. The herb reveal what's real and real. From roots to leaf I feel his word. The truth of Zion still on this. Anointed by the herb, blessed and clean. Fire of wisdom, pure and serene. Anointed by the herb, my soul take flight. Through the smoke into Jah light. Shashamane hills to the ocean deep. Jah give this gift for I to keep. Not just to burn but to meditate. To open the gate where truth away. Anointed by the earth, blessed and clean. Fire of wisdom, pure and serene. Herb of healing, breath of peace. Let Jah love never cease. Say na 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 day. Oh yeah. Burn it pure, no pollution. Holy herb is just solution. Smoke rise up to the sky. Jah anoint I. Leaf of life, forever true. Jah blessing shine on me and you. Hey. Oh, builders chanting a mountain cave, praising Jah for the life he gave. The herb ignite the righteous flame, call upon the Most High name. The scent of peace fill up the air, spirit of Jah dwell everywhere. In every puff a psalm I sing, the anointed ones crowned like a anointed by the herb, blessed and clean. Fire of wisdom, pure and serene. Anointed by the herb, my soul take flight. Through the smoke into Jah light. Herb of salvation, root of grace. Jah love shining on every face. Anointed by the herb, so divine. Jah spirit flow through space and time. Oh, blessedly forever burn. To Jah kingdom I return. Through the flame my prayer heard. Anointed by the earth. Oh, na 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 de. Oh, na 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 de. Oh, na 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 de. Oh yeah, ba da da. Oh, na 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 de. Oh, na 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 de. Oh, na 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 de. Oh yeah. Ba-da-da. 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 Fire blaze, but the leaves still green. Jah light shine in places unseen. From Sinai mountain to Zion plain, the burning bush still speak again. walls so tall, but your fire come fi burn them all. Not to destroy, but to cleanse the land and heal the hearts of every man. From the desert flame to the mountain green, the vision of Moses still live unseen. The herb ignite the soul within, reminding I, Irie sin. Burning bush meditation, holy fire lift I up, take a higher. Flames of wisdom, river of peace, let the meditation never cease. Burn clean, burn bright, holy fire. Take a higher, take a higher, take a higher. Smoke rise up, Jah inspire. Herb of life, eternal fire. Light the way through tribulation. Jah guide I in meditation. Elders chant under the tree of life, teaching peace, no hate, no strife. They say when the bush still burning clear, Jah presence dwell forever near. Every puff of prayer, every flame a sign, the truth of the ages intertwined. From the herb I learn humility, from the fire, divinity. Burning bush meditation, holy fire lift I up, take a higher. In the flame the vision grow, mystic secrets Jah only know. Burning bush meditation, light my soul. Jah make the broken whole. Fire of love, blaze forever strong. I chant this prayer, I sing this song. Holy fire, burning still, not by man, but by Jah will. Bush still blaze, but never gone. Jah I live on, Jah I live on. From the roots of the earth, Jah message grow, written in the leaf for those who know. No paper, no pen, no man's addition, just the truth of creation, the green scriptures vision. Morning breeze, whisper Jah word to hide the trees, uplift their hands to the sky. The herb man read what no preacher teach, wisdom of the soil within Irie. Every leaf a line of truth so pure, healing of the heart, the holy cure. Babylon blind, but I can see the scriptures written in the tree. Green scriptures, Jah revelation written deep in Jah creation. No ink, no stone, just earth and leaf. Message of love release the green scriptures. Forever true, nature speak when the sky is blue. Oh, why? a sight unseen. Smoke rise up to the holy sky. Truth of the earth will never die. Oh, elders say, look to the land. The answers rest in Jah mighty hand. The herbs, the roots, the fruit, the rain, all wash away Babylon pain. I see the sign in the mountain breeze. Jah writing flow through the forest trees. No temple wall can hold that sound. Green scriptures spread all around. Green scriptures, Jah revelation written deep in Jah creation. Every leaf a holy line, teaching love through space and time. Green scriptures, truth unfold, worth more than silver, more than gold. Herb of life forever shine. Green scriptures divine. Leaf of healing, leaf of grace. Jah wisdom shine upon every face. From the soil to the highest plane. Green scriptures remain, remain. Oh, yeah. Hey, ah, yeah, ah, yeah, ah. Oh, yeah. Hey, ah, yeah, ah, yeah, ah. Fire light in the holy land. The chalice burn in the herb manan. From mountain top to Zion plain, the smoke rise up, it cleanse the pain. Blessed be the temple of the herb man. Oh, na na yeah. Oh, na na yeah, na. Oh, na na yeah, na na na. Oh na, oh na, oh na, yeah, yeah, na na yeah, na. Oh na na yeah, na. Oh na, oh na na yeah, na na na. Oh na, oh na, na na yeah. herb man. Temple of the herb man, burning bright. Fire of wisdom, guide I light. Temple of the herb man, roots so deep. Jah protect the souls we keep. Burn the chalice pure and clean. I man walk where Jah be. Smoke rise up, spirit sing. Herb man temple evergreen. Beat the drum, chant the psalm. Peace and love bring holy calm. Yola yere re re. Da da de de da de da de de da de. Da da de de da de. Da da de de da de da de de da de. The garden of the Most High, I and I find peace. The green leaf whispers secrets of creation. Fire light the chalice, the mind open wide. Jah wisdom dwell inside. Yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Morning sun upon the hill, I light the herb, my soul stay still. From the earth, Jah blessing grow, healing the heart, letting truth flow. So much confusion in a Babylon land, but the herb reveal what I overstand. I see the signs, the ancient call. The wisdom in a leaf speak to all. Wisdom in a leaf, Jah revelation flow through my heart in meditation. Burning slow with peace and grace. I see Jah light up on every face. Wisdom in a leaf, truth I find. Healing the body, free in the mind. Yeah, yeah. Man reason under the tree, talking about love and unity. No hatred, no envy, no greed. Jah provide all that we need. The herb of life, it make I strong. Guide I spirit when things go wrong. From the mountains down to the sea, Jah creation set I free. Wisdom in a leaf, Jah revelation flow through my heart in meditation. Herb of feeling, spirit grow. Every puff let the knowledge flow. Burn it clean, no pollution. I'm untrod with just solution. Smoke rise up, sweet vibration. Roots connection, meditation. Hear the drum and the bass line roll. Herb of life uplift the soul. I sight the ancient path where love erase all Babylon wrath. Every leaf a scripture, every breath a prayer. Jah message written in the air. No need for gold, no diamond ring. Jah love alone, the real true king. So I chant my song in harmony. Thankful for the gift Jah give to me. Wisdom in a leaf, Jah revelation flow through my heart in meditation. Herb of creation, holy flame. Blessed be the one who call I name. Wisdom in a leaf, carry me higher. Purify Yeah, 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 yeah. Jah lights up on the mountain high, the smoke rise up to meet the sky. Blessed be the herb divine, it open eye and eye mine in time. Early in the morning when the sun start rise, I lift up my chalice to the holy skies. Ancient fire burning pure and clean, carry my prayer through the unseen. Roots vibration in our heart and soul, the earth reveal what the prophets told. Through the green gate I walk in peace, finding the truth where the smoke release. Chalice of revelation burn so bright, guide I through the darkness into light. Mystic meditation, one with creation. I sip the wisdom of the green salvation. Yeah, 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 yeah. While beyond wall can hold I down, the herb of wisdom where the lion crown. From Zion wind I hear the drum, calling all the children, Jah kingdom come. The more I inhale, the more I see the truth of life, the unity. Not just the smoke, but a sacred key. Unlock the soul, set the spirit free. Burn, burn, chalice fire, higher, higher. Take a higher, smoke rise up. Jah inspire, wisdom flow like holy river water. Burn, burn, chalice fire, higher, 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 higher. Take a higher, smoke rise up. Jah inspire, wisdom flow like holy river water. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. The elders know, the young ones learn. The flame of truth will always burn. From the hills of Shashaman to Kingston town, the herbal crown pass around. Each puff a prayer, each breath a song, carry the message that we belong. No separation, no domination, only love in this meditation. Chalice of revelation burn so bright, guide I through the darkness into light. Mystic meditation, one with creation. I sip the wisdom of the green salvation. Raggae. So let the smoke rise to the heavens above, carry the message of peace and love. Chalice of revelation forever blaze in a rootsman heart for all Jah days. Forever blaze, forever blaze in the morning light of the midnight time. The herb of life that open eye in the morning light or the midnight time. The smoke rise high, he carry divine. When the dawn come calling, I smoke rising higher and higher. Carry my soul to the holy fire. Light up the herb, let the spirit flow. Blessing from Zion wherever I go. City lights fade in a mountain mist. Babylon system can't resist. They try to chain the roots, man, but love and truth will never part. I see the signs in the sky so wide. Her revelation open eye inside. No gold, no silver can buy this peace. Only the chalice bring Jah release. Sacred smoke rising higher and higher. Carry my soul through the holy fire. Green redemption, wisdom glow. Blessings from Zion wherever I go. Burn the fire, keep it clean. Pure meditation in a Jah scene. Smoke it high, never mean. Roots man, spirit calm and serene. Hear the drum, the heartbeat call. One love, one life, Jah overall. Elders chanting by the riverside. Youth man learning to walk in pride. The herb connect us, soul to soul, reuniting the heart, making I whole. Every puff of prayer, every word I see. Truth and mercy are what we need. Lift your head, don't live in shame. Call on Jah, praise His name. Sacred smoke rising higher and higher. Carry my soul to the holy fire. Mystic meditation, roots vibration, love and peace, the true foundation. Sacred smoke rising, never tire. Burning bright like the prophet's fire. In on this life and the one to come. Rastafari kingdom overcome. Rise, rise, sacred smoke rise. Carry the prayer to the holy skies. Blessed be the herb divine, forever burning in Jah time. Jah let your blessings fall. Na 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 na, shower over all. Blessings rain from Jah. Oh Jah, guiding I soul near and far. Morning light I rise and pray. Give thanks to Jah for another day. Raindrops fall, washing I soul. Blessings of Jah make I whole. Through the struggle, through the pain, Jah send sunshine after rain. Every trial, His blessing rain, I'm forever blessed. Blessing rain from Jah above, flowing down with endless love. Wash my heart, cleanse my mind. Peace and light in Jah I find. Hear the thunder, the clouds roll by. Jah Jah blessing fall from the sky. Like the river to the sea, Jah abundance set I free. No drought, no hunger, no fear inside. Blessing rain keep we alive. Roots grow strong where His waters flow. Jah Jah love forever show. Blessing rain from Jah above, flowing down with endless love. Wash my heart, cleanse my mind. Peace and light in Jah I find. Who bring the rain of mercy? Jah bring the mercy. Who fill the cup so plenty? Jah fill it plenty. Showers fall, refresh the land. Blessings in Jah Jah hand. Oh, when the night is dark and cold, blessing rain, story told. Jah renew my weary soul. Fill my spirit, make I whole. Every drop is a song of praise. Every storm shows brighter days. From the mountain to the plain, Jah Jah blessings fall like rain. Blessing rain from Jah above, flowing down with endless love. Wash my heart, cleanse my mind. Peace and light in Jah I find. Blessings rain forever flow. Seeds of life begin to grow. Give I strength, keep I strong. Blessings rain the whole life long. Na 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 na, blessing rain, rain down down. Jah Jah love will always rain down. Showers fall, spirit rise. Blessing rain from Jah eternal sky. Fire burn, Mount Zion flame will never turn. Na 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 na, chant it higher. Fire of Zion, eternal fire. I see the morning rise above the hill. Sacred flame the whole earth feels. Light of just shining pure and strong. Guides the righteous as we move along. No chain can hold this holy fire. No wall can block God's true desire. From the mountain the spirit flows, burning bright as the fire grows. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing high till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Zion. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing high till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Zion. Hear the drums, they beat so loud. Ancient voices chanting proud. From the roots the people sing. Mount Zion fire conquers everything. Through the trials, through the pain, Zion flame will still remain. Babylon fall with lies they bring, but Zion fire is the eternal king. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing high till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Zion. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing high till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Zion. Burn, burn away the chains, burn away the chains. Burn, burn away the lies, burn away the lies. Oh Zion fire, keep us strong, keep us strong, keep us strong. Together we chant forever long. When the darkness covers all the land, Zion fire is in our hand, guiding children through the storm, keeping every spirit warm. Lion roar from the holy ground, thunder echoes with a mighty sound. In the fire we find our way, Mount Zion flame will never fade. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, burning bright, yes the flame lives on. Chanting loud, let the whole world know, Zion fire forever glow. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing high till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Zion. No, 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 fire burn, fire burn. Zion flame will always turn. Light my soul, lift me high, Mount Zion fire, eternal fire. Guide I stay, na na na, carry me through the test. Oh Jah, guide I stay, forever blaze, forever blaze. are blessed.
Clouds roll heavy like ancient drums. Mystic winds whisper where I'm from. The moonlight dances on the ocean's face, a riddle wrapped in a velvet lace. Mystic cha-cha, lead me slow, through the fire, through the glow. Mystic cha-cha, guide my way. Night turns gold when you light the day. Of truth in the lion's roar, footsteps fall on a forgotten shore. Stars paint maps in the endless skies. The rhythm lives where the heartbeat lies. I hear it calling, I hear it still, a voice that bends the iron will. Mystic Jah, your breath so near, in every beat I lose my fear. Mystic Jah, lead me slow, through the fire, through the glow. Mystic cha-cha, guide my way. Night turns gold when you light the day. Echoes of truth in the lion's roar, footsteps fall on a forgotten shore. Stars paint maps in the endless skies. The rhythm lives where the heartbeat lies. I hear it calling, I hear it still, a voice that bends the iron will. Mystic Jah, your breath so near, in every beat I lose my fear. Mystic Jah, lead me slow, through the fire, through the glow. Mystic Jah, guide my way. Night turns gold when you light the day.
I bring no gold, I bring no crown, only my heart and the herbs I found. Upon the altar of the Most High King, this is I and I, roots man offering.